we're gonna talk about plants.
Plants?
Yeah, so this is our plant.
I have a big plant at home.
Psst. You know what plants need, right? Let's see what the Yang Fan kids are up to.
I have 1,000.
Okay, put your hands down.
They've been diving deep into roots, stems, and leaves this week.
What does the root do? Someone could tell me?
I don't know.
It helps keep the plant in the soil. These are the leaves, but these are the stems, you see?
But wait, their classroom plant hasn't bloomed yet. So, they painted it some fabulous flowers.
Now we're all gonna do the book and we're gonna color our books, okay?
Boom, creativity. DIY flower pots, stickers, glitter, marigold seeds.
You know what marigold is?
No.
This is how your plant, it's like a flower.
They're basically planting happiness.
Okay.
Oh, that's enough. Now pat it with your hand.
Then, the celery mystery.
I'm
Can a
gonna
veggie
put
drink
celery.
rainbow juice? At Yang Fan, we're all about that let's find out vibe. We're growing thinkers, one crazy experiment at a time.